Welcome everyone in today's video of how to log in. Do you want to get logged in HSA Bank? Then just watch this complete video because this is what this tutorial is for. First step is really simple. Just open your browser and go to search bar of browser and search for keywords HSA Bank login. After that, you will see many search results over there of HSA Bank. Click on this HSA Bank official website link. Here you are redirected to the official page. Click on this login button. Now slowly I am getting redirected to the official login page of HSA. Here it is. You have to fill the username and password. Let me put username as temp user and click on this next button. And then you have to fill the password. Make sure your password is correct. You have to fill the password of your account. If you have forgotten your password, click on this forget password. If you want to get remembered next time, click on this button. Else simply click on this sign in button, and if all the credentials are correct, you'll be logged in HSA Bank. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to find more helpful videos like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment down in the comment section below.